Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Artdot. They did send me this item for review, so thank you to Artdot. So if you saw my previous video from Artdot, I actually have this same container but in a smaller size, and they wanted me to show you the bigger size. So let's open this up. So this container is 4 drawers and there should be 192 bottles. It's currently on their website for $43.99 as of February 5, 2023. This should be posted on the Tuesday following it, so it shouldn't be too long afterwards. So it comes with some labels here and it comes with a funnel. I do recommend for these funnels to actually cut them to about like this size here. Like I've cut this funnel like this before to a smaller size just because with it this big it actually gets top heavy and then the bottle falls down. So when you cut it smaller you still have a big enough funnel to put your drills in, but it's not as heavy and therefore won't be top heavy and fall over when you put the drills in. Okay, it comes with this over here, and let's see if we'll be able to take out the thing from the box. All right. So this has 4 drawers here. It does have this top here, and you can use this for accessories, or you could have them separate and put this only in yours. So all right, so it comes with the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 48 bottles per drawer here. Is this anything? Nope, it just says Artdot. And yeah, 48 bottles. They do seem okay. This one has Artdot on there too. They do seem interchangeable. Oh, I see. So the first time I got these, the bottles moved around, so I'm guessing they put this extra piece of paper here to make sure while it's shipping the bottles don't like fall out and move around. Oh, I was wondering where the extra there's an extra one right there. So I did notice, since I do have, so did I say this is $43.99? And I do have the smaller version here. This is the 2 drawer case here. And this is currently $29.99. So if you need a smaller one here, you could use that, or this one is a bigger one. But what I was gonna say is that I played around with the smaller case since I already have it, that you can remove this and you can remove this here. So you could make it even bigger, assuming they are the same. Just have to line it up here. Okay, I should move the drawers. So I'm trying to line it up here. because I said I tried this out. They should line up. To make a 6 container one. There. There. So if you want an even bigger one, there you go. So now I have a 6 drawer one here. It's going to be very tall, and I can put the containers back in. So now it's a massive tower. Do you see this? Massive tower of 6. So that it is nice. You can make this very, very tall. And they are stackable. So if you want to even make it even bigger and bigger and bigger, that's what you can do. So what I also had done to my other case is, so I had cut up some cardstock here to help it so that if you move one, it won't move around so much. And I also put one in front here because this rubber holder, the rubber handle here, or I don't know, 6 silicone maybe, handle would sometimes catch on the bottle. So I put a piece of cardstock in front of that. So what actually would probably work for these newer ones is it comes with this here. And you can cut this up to the right size to make little dividers. So I do have a cutting board here, and I just need, it just needs to be smaller than the bottle up to here, because otherwise it might, the paper might get stuck on the lid. So like you don't want it to go down and then it catches on the lid, so it just needs to be below the lid. So for me, that looks like it's gonna be about 3 centimeters. And I'm only using centimeters just because that is the easy, on my thing, these little squares are in centimeters. So and that's the reason I'm using 3. So if I cut this into 3 centimeter sections, I could use this and make, let me move you down, use it to make dividers for my bottles. So I was like, hey, look, it came with card here. I could just use this. And it'll help it not move around as much too. Is this going to be too tall for the last one? Yeah, it's going to still be too tall. So there you go. And then I still need like one more in the front, which All right, here, see, since this here, do you see the handle here? It kind of gets stuck on the drills, so I actually have, oops, one that I had pre-cut because I was thinking of doing this, showing this on camera, but I didn't realize they would come with some. So I just put in another sheet of paper here to help it not get stuck, hopefully, onto that there. Maybe I should move. Yeah, that'll just help it hopefully not get stuck on that front portion there. So there. So there you go. So now I have a big 6 tower one. That was actually, I was thinking of making 2 3 tier ones instead of 1 6 tier one, maybe. We will see. But yeah, there it is. It's very tall. In case you want to know how tall it is when it's 6 tiers, it's 6 tiers here. If it's about 19 inches up to here. So, or about here, 48.5 centimeters. So, if you want to know how tall this thing is when it's this big here. All right. Yeah, I think the cardstock is a little, yeah, I think that worked. That really worked. I mainly did that so that when I put the cardstock in there, just so that when you move the bottles, the only thing that it'll move is left and right as opposed to up and down too. And it does help the stuff stay in place, especially if you don't want the drills to move around that much. So yeah, there is this one here. So I do plan to use this to, I'm going to shuffle my specials. I'm going to reshuffle. Man, I think I heard something, so I was like, what is that sound? Sorry about that. Like, I heard a popping sound and, you know, I found it. It was one of my AA batteries in my clock, like, popped, and it was sizzling, and I could see, I was like, the battery liquid was coming out of it. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, so it was a Costco battery too. It was a Costco, it's a Kirkland AA battery. I was like, oh, okay. I heard it. Usually you only see kind of like the dried acid remnants on batteries. This time I heard it pop and sizzle out, and I was just like, what is this coming from? And luckily I found the source. I tossed that battery, I wrapped it up and tossed it. Yeah. Ugh. Okay. What was I saying? I have no idea. I got distracted by by the popping battery. But yeah. So I do plan to rearrange my my square and crystal rhinestones, mainly because I currently have them in a different drawer system, and I ended up having too many square and ABs combined that I couldn't fit it in my other drawer system. So I have a last container in this is also from Artdot, another Artdot container here, and I kind of wanted to put all my square stuff together. I might not be able to add my square glitter. I do have square glitter drills too here, so I might leave the square glitter out, but I do plan to rearrange my square ABs. I might make it, just leave this sixth tower at this sixth tower. I think I might do 6. Yeah. Is it gonna be too tall on my... Nope. I actually have a cart. Yes, I have a cart. I have a cart with my diamond painting stuff that is on wheels, and I just kind of move it back and forth depending on where I'm working on things. So my ABs usually come with me and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I might just put this on the top of my cart. Yeah, it'll be very tall, but it'll work. It'll work. My cart's much lower. All right, so... All right, so there is the tower here. Like I said, there was a 4 and a 6 container, but as you can see, they are interchangeable and you can move them. You can move them around. I think I might have to lock this one in a little bit better, but and you can move them around to fit. All right, so that's all I have for today. So thank you very much to Artdot for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.